To ship with Federal Express, start by checking the official website to ensure the item falls within the guidelines. If special handling is required, additional information can be found. Properly package the item using suitable materials, or visit a FedEx office for assistance. Next, create a shipping label through a FedEx account or the app, filling in the details accurately and printing the label, or have one provided by a FedEx office. If doing it in person, attach the shipping label and any required documents, noting that international packages require more documentation. This delivery service is suitable depending on the desired delivery speed. Pay the shipment fees, either online or in person, and consider insurance coverage for certain packages. Finally, drop the package off at a FedEx location or schedule a pickup. Following these steps makes shipping with Federal Express a straightforward process.